What happens to your body when you drink a protein shake every morning? Protein shakes have become a staple in many people's diets, especially for those looking to build muscle, recover from workouts, or simply maintain a balanced, healthy diet. Whether you're a gym enthusiast, an athlete, or someone looking for a quick, nutritious breakfast, a protein shake in the morning can seem like the ultimate solution. But what actually happens to your body when you drink one every day? Let's break it down and explore the effects on your muscles, metabolism, energy levels, and overall health. 1. Muscle repair and growth. One of the most common reasons people drink protein shakes is to support muscle growth and recovery. Protein is a vital macronutrient that plays a key role in repairing and rebuilding muscles after physical activity. When you work out, especially with strength training, you cause small tears in your muscle fibers. These tears are repaired by your body using the protein you consume. This process helps muscles grow bigger and stronger over time. Drinking a protein shake in the morning provides your body with a steady supply of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. By consuming protein right after you wake up, you help jumpstart this repair process, ensuring your muscles recover and grow effectively. For those who engage in regular exercise or are focused on building muscle, this can help maximize results. 2. Boosting metabolism and weight management. Another benefit of drinking a protein shake in the morning is its potential impact on metabolism and weight management. Protein is known to be thermogenic, meaning it can increase the thermic effect of food, TEF, the energy your body uses to digest and metabolize food. Protein has a higher TEF than carbohydrates or fats, meaning your body burns more calories just to process protein. In addition, protein helps regulate appetite by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing hunger. When you start your day with a protein-packed shake, you may find it easier to control your calorie intake throughout the rest of the day, leading to better weight management. For those trying to lose or maintain weight, protein can help curb cravings and prevent overeating later on. 3. Improved energy levels and stable blood sugar. Consuming protein first thing in the morning can also have a positive effect on your energy levels. Unlike refined carbohydrates and sugars that cause blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, protein provides a steady source of energy. Protein helps stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the day, providing you with sustained energy without the sharp fluctuations. When you consume a protein shake, especially when it's combined with other macronutrients like healthy fats and fiber, you can avoid the morning energy slump that many people experience after eating sugary or carb-heavy breakfasts. This can result in better focus and alertness, helping you power through your day. 4. Enhanced muscle protein synthesis. Muscle protein synthesis, MPS, is the process by which your body builds new muscle proteins. This process is essential for muscle repair and growth. Consuming protein, particularly high-quality protein sources, stimulates MPS. Research shows that consuming protein in the morning, whether in the form of a shake, eggs, or other protein-rich foods, can be especially beneficial because your body is in a fasted state after a night of sleep. Drinking a protein shake upon waking up provides your body with the necessary amino acids it needs to stimulate MPS. The quicker you replenish your body with protein after fasting overnight, the sooner you kickstart the muscle-building process. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to gain muscle or prevent muscle loss, particularly as you age. 5. Convenience and nutritional balance. Aside from the physical benefits, one of the main advantages of drinking a protein shake every morning is its convenience. Many people find it challenging to eat a large meal early in the morning, but a protein shake offers a quick, easy, and portable alternative. You can pack a protein shake with a variety of other nutrients, such as fruits, vegetables, seeds, and healthy fats, ensuring you start your day with a balanced meal. For those with busy schedules or who struggle to find time for breakfast, a protein shake provides an efficient solution. It's also an easy way to ensure you're getting the necessary amount of protein for your day, particularly if you have higher protein needs due to exercise or a specific diet plan. 6. Potential downsides of drinking protein. Shakes daily. While there are many benefits to drinking a protein shake every morning, it's important to note that, like anything, moderation is key. Excessive protein consumption can put strain on your kidneys, especially for people with pre-existing kidney conditions. Consuming too much protein can also lead to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, particularly if you're using protein powders with added sugars, artificial sweeteners, or low-quality ingredients. Additionally, it's essential to ensure that your protein shake is part of a balanced diet. Relying too heavily on protein shakes and neglecting whole foods could lead to nutritional imbalances. Whole food sources of protein, like lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy, offer a broader range of vitamins and minerals that may not be present in some protein powders. It's also important to choose high-quality protein powders, as some products can contain unhealthy additives, preservatives, or low-quality protein sources. 7. Long-term health effects. What does science say? Research shows that consistent protein intake can support long-term health, including maintaining muscle mass as you age, improving bone health, and enhancing immune function. A balanced intake of protein is essential for maintaining overall health and vitality. For athletes, those involved in regular exercise, or people trying to lose weight, incorporating protein shakes into your morning routine can contribute to better physical performance and recovery. Conclusion. Incorporating a protein shake into your morning routine can offer numerous benefits, from supporting muscle growth and recovery to boosting metabolism and energy levels. However, it's important to remember that protein shakes should complement a balanced, varied diet. If you're consuming a protein shake every morning, make sure it's part of a holistic approach to health and fitness that includes whole foods, regular exercise, and plenty of hydration. Before making any drastic changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure that it aligns with your specific health needs and goals. So, if you're looking for a simple, effective way to fuel your body each morning, a protein shake could be just the thing you need. Just remember to choose quality ingredients, listen to your body, and enjoy the benefits of starting your day with a protein boost. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. See you in the next video.